prepare the watering plant and its accessories. A kettle and the pot you need. Connect the filter head to the water pipe. Connect the hose to the water inlet of the watering device. Connect the hose to the water outlet of the watering device. Connect the hose with a triangular T-shaped connector. Connect the dripper to the hose. Support the dripper with a fixing strap. Use solar panels to provide power for the watering device. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to boot. Set key to select days, hours and seconds. Increase key adjust number. Press Start Reset to start work.